The Common Hill Myna. The Common Hill Myna is a large, thickset bird with distinct features with 25 to 35 centimeters in length and weight around 161 to 229 gram. It has bright yellow lappets that extend from just behind the eye around the nape, along with a pendulous wattle below the eye. They are easily recognized by its glossy black body, white wing patches, and heavy orange bill. Adults have solid black plumage with a purple and green gloss and a feathered face. The base of the bill to the bottom of the oblong wattle is covered in dense, velvety feathers. The lores and part of the cap from the nostrils are covered in convexly curled feathers, reflecting iridescent purple. The ear-coverts behind the wattle have a deep blue sheen, and the mantle has a strong purple gloss. The green gloss is visible on the wing-coverts and edges of the secondary feathers. The white patches at the base of the primary wing feathers are especially visible in flight. Males and females look alike. Juveniles are duller in color, with a more brownish hue and some white edges, producing a streaked effect. They found in the eastern Ghats and the Himalayan foothills through northern India, Bangladesh, and southern China. It is also found in Southeast Asia, including Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Palawan, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are usually perched high on exposed tops of tall trees or dead branches. They inhabit a variety of forest types, including broad-leaved evergreen, humid deciduous, swamp forests, and plantations near tall trees. They are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of plant species. Breeding timing varies by population, but is largely influenced by rainfall. In India, breeding typically occurs from April to July, with young fledging in May, June, and peak fledging in July. Although listed as least concern globally, local populations are declining and some may have gone extinct in specific areas. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.